Seated comfortably in any seated posture with spine upright, shoulders braced back. Before closing the eyes, let's get first into Varun Mudra. Varun Mudra is an amazing mudra for several health problems, diseases to be cured. Trying to keep our 3 fingertips upright, the index, the middle, and the ring finger. We just fold our little fingers at the knuckles and touch the tips of the thumbs to the little fingers. We keep them on either side of the shoulders. When eating wrongly, when acidic, when mind is very hyper, in those moments, if we eat without having done any food meditation, we get belching, sar belching, khatte otkar. Varun Mudra cures and reverses sar belching. This is its main benefit, besides curing constipation, age-old constipation. When there is less bleeding in menstrual cycles, when there is less urine passed. A very important mudra. Can keep it on either side of the shoulders for a while and then later even rest it on the knees.